Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. So I'm making some coconut chocolate. They have nuts in them and sweetened condensed milk. They're called 4-ingredient cookies. And they look really good and they're so easy. So let me show you how I'm gonna make them. So first of all, for this recipe, you're gonna need some nuts. I happen to have mixed nuts and I'm gonna break them down with a rolling pin. Now, you can use all almonds, all walnuts, whatever you happen to have. I had some mixed nuts and I found some sliced almonds in my cabinet. You can use any combination of nuts. You're going to need 2 cups for this recipe. You're going to need 1 package of chocolate chips. This says 11.5 ounces. You're going to need a half a cup of sweetened condensed milk and 1 cup of coconut flakes. So here's my 2 cups of chopped nuts. Next, I have a big bowl and I'm going to add my nuts. And then I'm adding my package of chocolate chips. Now I'm adding 1 cup of coconut flakes. And here's my sweetened condensed milk, half a cup. Okay, get it all out of your measuring cup. So now I'm going to mix everything together. It doesn't look like it's enough sweetened condensed milk, but it is. You have to understand that the sweetened condensed milk is a binder. It'll keep everything together. So now I'm getting a cookie scooper and I'm scooping it out and making big mounds on a parchment-lined cookie sheet. These end up looking like big round cookies. So the next step is a matter of how you want to do it. I got a plastic glove, I put some oil on it, and then you just form it into the shape of a cookie. These are not going to spread, they're not going to rise, they don't have any baking soda. The binder is the sweetened condensed milk. It gets sticky when it's warm, but when it all cools off, it all sticks together. So I put these in a 350-degree oven for the time is going to be anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes. For me, it was 13 minutes. You want them to get slightly brown and toasty like this. Now, you do have to let these completely cool off. Otherwise, if they're hot, you will pick them up and they'll fall apart. So that is really important. Let them completely cool off, and then you end up with this really delicious, what looks like a cookie. I shared them with some friends. Everybody loved them. So this is a great recipe for the upcoming holidays. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.